And welcome back to AhTech, where agriculture technology gets smarter every day. Can machines really grow and harvest better than humans? Stay tuned to find out. You won't want to miss this. Then there's Virgo, the tomato whisperer in your greenhouse. With 8 LED lights and real-time AI, it identifies ripe tomatoes and gently picks them at 98% accuracy. It works 16 hours straight on one charge, adapting smoothly between field and greenhouse operations. Now in the Netherlands, Gipmans is transforming lettuce farming with a fully automated hydroponic system. Designed by Viscon, this PLC-driven marvel manages 50,000 plants daily using robotic arms and water-saving trays. With 90% less water use and no need for pesticides, it's clean, compact, and climate-smart cultivation at scale. But here's the brilliant part. This broccoli harvesting robot uses over 12 high-tech sensors and dual HD cameras to locate heads with pinpoint accuracy. It doesn't just cut, it calculates timing for peak ripeness, boosting output by 35%, and slashing labor costs in half. Say goodbye to waste and hello to flavor. Meanwhile, inside a high-tech greenhouse, Grover takes the lead. Designed by Iron Ox, this robot shifts 200 plant trays daily using AI and LIDAR, cutting labor by 60%. It even optimizes sunlight exposure by 20%, making food production greener and more efficient than ever before. So keep watching until the end, give us a like, subscribe to, and comment 1 if you love this tech, or 9 if it's not your thing. Meet Barry, the greenhouse berry king. Barry picks, weighs, and packs 500 strawberries an hour, storing up to 20 kilograms before recharging. It operates across 2,000 square meters for 8 straight hours. No hands, no hassle, just pure berry brilliance on repeat. Then up in Maine, USA, Hapco Farms blends manpower with machines to harvest over 1 million boxes of broccoli. An automated cutter lifts and trims each head while skilled workers ensure quality. This human-robot harmony boosts speed and consistency without sacrificing freshness or sustainability. Now hold on to your harvest crates. Smash, the robot from Robotics Plus, picks up to 7,000 apples daily, preserving 95% fruit quality. It's not replacing humans, it's rescuing orchards from labor gaps that leave 20% unpicked. This is precision, power, and productivity in one sleek frame. Back in California, the FarmBot Genesis turns backyard gardening into a fully automated food system. With a Wi-Fi controlled frame, it sows 30 seed types, waters plants, removes weeds, and captures 4 images per plant daily. Covering 3 square meters, it grows 100 kilograms per season without a drop of chemicals. Back in the Netherlands, Gerber harvesting gets smarter. Developed with Wageningen University, this floral robot uses AI vision and soft grippers to pick 1,200 flowers per hour. It replaces 80% of manual labor, maintains perfect bloom quality, and transforms greenhouses into precision harvesting zones. Now for something even juicier. The Agrobot E-Series handles strawberries with 24 robotic arms that spot ripeness in 0.2 seconds, trim the stem, and drop each berry softly. No human hands, less than 1% damage. It's the smart, hygienic way to bring berries from field to table. Now on sweet cornfields in Jalisco, Mexico, harvest speed meets teamwork. A high-speed cutter processes 12,000 ears per hour, while field hands guide the flow. With labor cut by 50% and perfect kernel protection, it's a model of mechanical rhythm and human finesse. Meanwhile, meet Dino, the weed warrior of the future. It's GPS-guided, solar-powered, and chemical-free. With 4 sharp claws, it clears 10 hectares daily, saving 300 hours of manual labor per week. Goodbye herbicides, hello clean farming powered by precision engineering. Meanwhile, in Portugal, the Arbus 4000 takes precision, spraying to new heights. Using laser scanners across a 14-meter width, it reads plant size 20 times a second. The result? 95% spray accuracy, 30% less chemical waste, and up to 500 liters of pesticides saved per hectare. Out in the Midwest, high-density laser weeding zaps its way through rows of stubborn weeds. Using 15,000 volts of energy, it destroys weed cells on contact across 5 rows at once. It clears 1 hectare in under 90 minutes with no herbicides and no crop damage. A silent revolution in clean farming. Now in southern Germany, the Ropa Tiger 6 and Ropa Mouse team up for the ultimate sugar beet harvest. With autopilot control and HD cameras, the Tiger 6 lifts and cleans 600 tons daily with 95% dirt removal. Its wide flotation tires prevent soil compaction, proving that high output and soil health can go hand in hand. And over in Bolens Biddinghuizen, Netherlands, the ASA Lift red cabbage harvester delivers beauty and brute force. Twin hydraulic arms grip, slice, and lift 12,000 heads per hour. Each cabbage lands unbruised into chilled crates, pure efficiency that locks in quality and cuts waste. And here comes Sweeper, the silent pepper hunter. With thermal and 3D vision, it spots ripe peppers hiding under 30% leaf cover. It finishes a full row 40% faster and reduces waste by 25%. No leaf too thick, no corner too tight, Sweeper always gets the job done. Meanwhile, in the Prosecco Hills, the New Holland 9070L makes grape harvesting feel like art. Built in France, this harvester collects up to 7,000 kilograms per hour with gentle rollers that cut bruising by 30%. Even on slopes, its stability and speed keep every bunch intact, ready for sparkling perfection. Now in Japan's Kanto region, the SP400 CFH carrot harvester redefines root pulling. With 4 rows, this self-propelled top lifter processes 8 tons per hour. It gently grabs greens, lifts clean, and feeds them into wagons via an auto elevator. Fast, soft, and soil-respecting tech in action. Next up, cherry season meets robotics. The Pellenc R5090 gently shakes 5,000 cherries into cushioned trays in under 90 seconds. The result is 30% less time spent and 0% bruising. Healthier trees, happier farmers, and a whole lot of perfectly harvested cherries. Back in eastern Germany, the mighty Nexat harvest unit showcases modular innovation. With 1,100 horsepower and a working width of 15.5 meters, it adapts to tasks from harvesting to seeding. By using controlled traffic paths, it preserves soil structure and reduces input costs by 25% across large-scale farms. Meanwhile, in Pennsylvania, the Pick-Right 190 peppers the field with performance. With a 20,000 pound per hour capacity, this harvester replaces 30 workers using soft conveyors, precise blades, and a self-cleaning line. Whether on 10 or 100 acres, it brings max yield with minimal effort. Then comes the Hurricane King, your stainless steel crop protector. With 96 nozzles and automatic height control, it delivers sprays exactly where needed. It cuts chemical use by 42% and saves 2,000 liters of water per hectare, proving that smart spraying equals sustainable growing. Back in Austria, the Modi KE 3000 Hydros turns pumpkins into seed gold. Fully hydraulic and independently controlled, it processes 3 tons per hour while separating seeds cleanly and reducing waste. Designed for organic farmers chasing quality, it's smart seed extraction with a sharp edge. Now in the apple orchards of Washington, robotic harvesters are raising the bar. These smart machines use 3D vision and AI to identify 9,000 apples per hour, picking only the ripest ones. With less than 2% error, they boost efficiency by 40%, reduce bruising, and keep every apple as crisp as nature intended. Then in southern Germany, this modern pumpkin harvester scoops 10,000 pounds per hour with ease. With 110 horsepower under the hood and padded rollers for gentle lifting, it boxes each pumpkin spotless. It's fast, efficient, and built to preserve every harvest. Who said peppers need gentle hands? This bell pepper harvester uses vibrating fingers and soft rubber grips to pick up to 9,000 peppers per hour without bruising a single one. With real-time sorting and minimal waste, it slashes labor by 85% while keeping every pepper picture perfect. Now that's spicy smart farming. Now in the rolling vineyards of Italy, grape robots are changing wine production. Equipped with over 15 sensors, they analyze berry sugar, soil moisture, and stem health in real time. One robot covers 1 hectare per day, logs 120 data points per vine, and reduces grape loss by 18% through smarter decisions. Finally, on California's Central Coast, PlantTape's automated transplanter is rewriting the rules of lettuce farming. With GPS-linked spacing control and real-time adjustments, it's already covered over 8,000 acres. Labor costs drop, yields rise, and precision farming reaches a whole new level of planting perfection. Down in Kagoshima, Japan, tea farming meets precision. In Chirancha, automated harvesters scan 1,200 bushes per hour, detecting leaf age in 0.3 seconds. With adjustable blades and 3 onboard baskets, each machine collects 100 kilograms of tea per shift, cutting labor by 25% while preserving quality. Now in Emilia-Romagna, Italy, tomato brilliance takes form with the Carima twin-row harvester. Powered by a 120 horsepower engine, it glides across 3 hectares per hour, gently sorting and collecting tomatoes. Turbo sorting and cushion rollers cut labor and keep produce pristine. Over in Australia's rugged fields, Swagbot takes control. This all-electric robot herds 150 cattle across 10 hectares, climbs 30-degree slopes, and navigates rocks using lidar. Running for 10 hours per charge, it uses thermal sensors to detect even a 1.5 degrees Celsius change, ensuring animal safety with zero stress. Over in Germany, meet the Nexat, the 25-ton marvel of multifunction. It boasts a 24-meter working width and a hybrid engine producing 545 horsepower. Replacing 4 machines at once, it tills, sprays, and plants with 40% less fuel. Tool change? Done in under 30 minutes. That's engineering efficiency on wheels. And in high-tech dairies across Europe, Lely, Delaval, and GEA go head-to-head. Each milking robot handles 60 cows per hour with laser arms, teat cleaning, and health monitoring. With 2-minute attachment times and real-time data, they set new standards in comfort, output, and efficiency. Over in Bavaria, the SRS 1200 slurry injector redefines precision fertilizing. With a 1,200-liter tank and smart pump control, it delivers nutrients directly to the root zone. The network of hoses spreads evenly across the soil, reducing fertilizer waste and promoting uniform crop growth with surgical accuracy. Meanwhile, in the Netherlands, the AgBot 5.115T2 is changing how we plow. Delivering 115 horsepower and tested on 30 farms in 2023, this autonomous robot uses 2.5 centimeters GPS accuracy to avoid overlaps and reduce fuel use by 30%. It's hands-free farming with reliable power in every pass. Finally, on large cattle farms in Canada, this feeding robot changes everything. With GPS routing and 24/7 scheduling, it delivers precision feed to over 200 cows per day. Now across American broiler farms, this poultry robot keeps a close watch. It scans 10,000 chickens daily, tracking weight, movement, and health using real-time sensors. Over at Vriba Dairy in Michigan, USA Equipment is field testing Europe's largest feed mixer. With 4 shafts, 3 steerable axles, and 30 tons of capacity, it's built from hard ox and stainless steel for serious durability. Its Allison 4700 transmission and 4 discharge points ensure high-speed mixing across any barn configuration. Meanwhile, in Enns, the Netherlands, the Oxbow 2475 turns sweet corn into science. With a 6-row 3630F head, it fills a 15 cubic meter hopper with 6,350 kilograms of corn. Behind it, a Massey Ferguson mulches the stalks back into the soil, closing the loop with yield and sustainability. And live from the fields of southwest France, AgBot 2.05 5W3 shows off smart spraying in motion. With 16 sensors and a 12-meter boom, it delivers nutrients with 98% accuracy, saving 600 liters of chemicals per hectare. By reducing overspray by 45%, it proves that sustainability starts at the root. Now in the fields of Lower Saxony, the Chiron Big Pack 1290 HDP2 is setting new baling standards. This next-gen powerhouse delivers 70% higher throughput and % denser bales than the previous model. With optimized knotters and reduced fuel consumption, it helps farmers work faster while staying green and comfortable in the cab. And finally, in Poland's high-output mushroom farms, a soft-touch harvester meets zigzag shelving. It lifts mushrooms bruise-free using gentle arms and conveyors, processing 300 kilograms per hour. Each cap stays intact, ready for slicing, canning, or straight-to-market freshness. So stick around until the end, drop a like, subscribe to AhTech, and we'll see you in the next video for more satisfying agriculture technology.